everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along to show you how I made these mini rosettes. Aren't these cute? Okay, so these are not that hard, you guys. I tried making a live and it was a total failure doing these mini rosettes. So I decided to make a video and make them for you guys and show you guys how to make them. So anyways, all you guys need is a piece of crepe paper, some thread. This is the thread I have, some scissors of course, and that is basically it. Now you can also, if you guys want to use if you guys have the die cut, I've previously shown you guys how to do it on one of my other videos, but let me go ahead and pull out the die that I have. So here is my die, and I went ahead and got this is about 6 inches of scraps that I had laying around. And what I went ahead and did, and as I laid it on here, and this actually is about, you guys see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4 dots, about the 3 or 4 dots. It depends how you want it. Actually, I'm sorry, I apologize, it's 3 dots. So there you go. And then I went ahead and die cut it, and this is what I got. And like I said, lengthwise right here is 6 inches. This is about, let me see if I have a ruler around here, it's probably less than ½ inch. It's about ½ inch, yeah. It's about ½ inch. So there you go. And once you assemble it, it's gonna look something like this right here. So just wanted to show you guys that, and I probably will create something with that. So let me go ahead and show you our crepe rosettes, our mini crepe rosettes. This are made so totally different. So what I do is I go ahead and fold it like this. And then this is going to be an approximate. It doesn't necessarily have to be this size, about 5.5. So go ahead and cut it right here. Sorry, everything always runs around. And then all you do is go ahead, and I usually like to do it at this end right here, where the flaps or the ends meet. I will go ahead and do like a zigzag effect, a mountain valley effect. So there you go. That's what I'm doing right now. And let's go ahead and see. So last time I tried doing this live, my hands got really sweaty. I got so nervous. So hopefully I don't have that problem. And then there you go. And don't worry if it's uneven here, if you know your crepe paper's not even, that is so totally fine. The reason is because once you do the rest, you might have to cut some ends apart. So I usually try to measure about halfway. You could either fold it just to measure, you know, have almost an accurate. Either way, when you do that, you're not going to have the perfect rosette right straight off. So you will need your thread at this point. You're going to go around it a few times, and then you're going to go ahead and make it tight, not too tight to where you cut yourself, your fingers or your finger, because sometimes I know thread can cut your fingers. So just be gentle in that sense. And then right there, about that much. And you could go around it as many times as you feel like. It is basically how comfortable you feel with it. I usually go around it maybe a good 8 times, and then you tie a few knots. And that's one. This is my second one, and just to be sure, I make a third one. There you go. So now you cut that off. Cut that off, and there you go. You can basically, if you want, you can make a bow right here. Okay, but what I'm gonna do is I am gonna go ahead and fill it all the way around, basically undo, and let me see. So when you try to do it on video, it's kind of a little harder because you tend to get nervous and you're so used to doing it, you know, close up to you. So there you go. So you basically pull it out, and there you go. There is your rosette. So you see any unevenness? As you guys could see, this is uneven. So all I do is go around and just eyeball it. You don't have to have a perfect circle. I've heard people of cutting, let me see, like a circle. Let me see if I could find one. A circle punch, just like this one. This one, it measures, let me see, should be the 1.5 circle punch, about 1.5, 1 3/4. It just depends. And then you go around it like this. This is another way other people do it, and I think I saw Miss Susan Tootsie Tucker do this. I know other crafters might be doing this. I don't know. You know. So there you go. And it might not be perfect because I'm so used to doing it freehand that doing it like this is kind of like hard for me. So, but just to show you guys and make it easier for you guys. And if you guys want to do, you know, crepe paper rosettes, mini ones, it's a nice way to do them. And there you go. Oops. And there you go. So hopefully this video is not too long for you guys. And there you go. That's how I make my mini crepe rosettes. And then let me go ahead and assemble it so you guys could see. That one's a little too small. I was actually going to use this one. So this one might go on the bottom. I think I wanted to use this one. Use this one right here. And use this butterfly. Okay, we'll see. Let's see, I thought I had something else that I wanted to add on there. Might want to add this at the end. Yep, okay. So this one might be a little smaller than these right here because this is, as you guys could see, I had both of them on here. Let me try and see if I could do this. So I do apologize. I am not well prepared, but sometimes as crafters, we kind of tend to go with what we kind of feel at that time. So there you go. Let me see, this one will go in here. And let me see if I have my little, where is my glue? Here's my glue. Go, there you go. And then let me cover this up. I have my little mat here, and I had my little finger. If you guys have those rubber fingers that you guys see at Dollar Tree, I'll very recommend it when you are doing these mini ones, because other than that, you will burn your finger. So I guess I will have to use this one because I don't see my finger. Okay. Sorry, you guys. I'm trying to assemble it. Make sure. You know those times. There you go. There you go. So these are a little harder to make sure that they stay. That's why those fingers are way better, because other than that you might burn your finger. And you close it there. And you can also use this if you have one of these. You can use this. So there you go. So these are also at the Dollar Tree. These are also at the Dollar Tree, and they are at the makeup section. I haven't seen them lately, but yet again, my Dollar Tree doesn't carry everything other stores do, so do be aware. If your store carries a lot of stuff, you are so lucky. If not, I hear you. So let me go ahead and put that in here. I should have put it the other way. So there you go. Put that in there. Put the bunny in there. Sorry, you guys. So you see spiders everywhere. Not spiders, but you know, glue spiders. Put that in here. I wanted to put the butterfly here. And that is it, you guys. So what do you guys think? I hope you guys like this and you guys give it a try. Let me know how it worked for you, and you know, if you tried it, especially if you tried it, you know, I want to see your guys's mini rosettes. And there you go. Well, anyways, isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, it came out so adorable. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we will see you guys on our next video. And I need to take all these spiders out. Anyways, bye for now.